What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Crow fam. We are back with another video for you guys. Back with the bullish content, Crow fam. A lot of people, man, super bearish right now with what's going on, and always asking why is price this at this levels, why is price like this for Crow, why did it drop so much? You shouldn't be asking why did it drop so much or why did the price fall. What you should be doing is thinking to yourself, is this a good investment? Did I do my own research on this project? Will this project have great returns in the future? Because if the price is this low, that means eventually in time, once the project does well, it goes back up. If you take a look at all of the markets, guys, the whole market as a whole, you would see most alts are down. And like I really think the bottom is in on the market, and most alts are up from their bottom. The bottom, to me, in my opinion, was in December. That was the bottom. 0.55 cents of Crow was the bottom, and now we're gonna see what happens. Remember, guys, Crow is following Bitcoin bar for bar. It is following the lead market mover, like step for step, guys, because it is a fundamentally sound altcoin. The difference is in bull markets, when Bitcoin dominance falls, in bull markets, when Bitcoin is, on its way to crazy numbers, Bitcoin dominance falls, and then the money from Bitcoin flows into altcoins, and then you see the crazy run in altcoins. Bitcoin, however, you won't see much crazy runs in Bitcoin. You'd see a 2x, maybe a 3x in Bitcoin at these levels, but you wouldn't see 10x, 20x, 30x. You wouldn't see those type of gains in a Bitcoin, guys. But in altcoins with good fundamentals like Crow, the possibility of that happening are super high. Blockchain, ZK, tier 1, one of the top tier 1 exchanges, celebrities back in the project, events, crypto.com card and its different utilities, millions of people using their exchange and interacting, and more people day by day interacting with the Cronos blockchain. Growth every day, from NFTs to projects being developed on the Crow ecosystem. It is fleshing itself out to be one of those top competitors, top projects in the space. Look at Crow, guys. It's been around since 2019. 2018, 2019 is compared to the Bitcoin chart, right? But look at it, how it just followed Bitcoin and then huge pop. Whenever Bitcoin is ready for its another huge pop, guess what Crow will do, guys? It's clear as day. The charts are in your face. The facts are in the charts. Stop investing off emotion, guys. Stop investing off emotions and follow the TA. Follow the charts. Could we go lower one more time? Sure, that is a possibility. But all you have to do is DCA diamond hand and wait for the bull, guys. $1 to $3 for Crow is the value I am calling for, and it will happen. It will happen in the future, guys. Just be patient, okay? We can see everything that is being done and developed for Crow. It is just a matter of time. Maclon, I'm bullish on Crow. You see what people got, man. People are chilling other projects on the Crow ecosystem. I'm not mad at them. Frank, I'm bullish on Crow. Chris, when Moon, hey, really depends on when the market turns around, when the sentiment becomes more and more bullish, but it will. You really think the hedge funds and the institutions are gonna keep the markets down like this forever? You know what you're supposed to be doing right now? Not financial advice, obviously, but if you're an investor in the space, now is when you get the cheap prices on projects. Now is when you get everything cheap. So guess what? When the bull market comes around, you could take your profits when everything is expensive again. This is not talked about at all. Like when I got into the space, I got in at the tail end of a bull cycle. Right? I got in at the tail end of a bull cycle. Then I went through the whole bear market. I was like, why did nobody tell me about this? Why don't Why didn't people tell me about bear markets? If I knew, I would have waited to buy in the bear market. That's how they get retail. That's how they get people that aren't into the space. You know what's gonna happen? The people that are in the bear market right now, you guys that are here watching these videos, investing in Crow, trusting your instincts, because everybody thinks crypto is gone, crypto is done. Crypto is gonna come back like it's always been doing. Look at Bitcoin since 2013. It always comes back. Every time there's, you know, these charts in the early days, you can't even see them. But when Bitcoin had this huge run up, then it fell off. Everybody thought, oh no, crypto is going to zero. Happened again. And now it's happening again. It keeps happening. And look at Crow doing the same thing. Oh no, Crow. Guys, trust yourself, stick to your plan, trust your strategy. Now is when you show conviction in the markets, guys. You know, with all the utility and Crow being a top powerhouse in the space, number 31 in the crypto ranks. There's how many crypto? There's 22,761 crypto, and Crow is number 31. A $1 to $3 Crow, $3 Crow. Y'all think that's not possible, man? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Amazon of crypto, crypto.com. This is the Amazon of crypto, man. I'm telling you. Cronos NFT, Crow will grow. More users, more projects, more utility / use cases. Be ready for the future. I agree. I fully agree with that. And that is a fact. Jan Spiker, Crow is our future. Remind me in 1 to 2 years we'll be at $1. We could also be higher. And I think we're going higher than the $1 mark. I think $1 is you know, a lower expectation. See, Crow at $2 plus. Not many will catch $1 if it happens at all. See, he said if it happens at all. The studio, $3, hold. A lot of Crow haters. This is what I'm telling you guys, like the bear market. I don't understand like retail investors mindset, bro. Y'all really don't think crypto is gonna make a huge comeback again? Y'all think crypto is over? Say if it goes there, oh crud, you know, there's so much fun around the project. I'm like, huh? Now is when you buy. I'm not a financial advisor, but now is when you get in projects, bro. Now is when you invest, and then you're selling the ball. Hey, all of these people are gonna be foaming back in the ball, thinking, oh no, I can't believe it. What? I should have been buying in the bear market. And it's gonna happen again, and then the cycle repeats itself. Rinse and repeat, right? Francis Wan, day 4, 888 more Crow. I believe Crow True Value is $1 to $2. That's what I'm saying, Francis. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to you, stacking your bag. Smart. This not Kim. Like your name. Crow fam, hope you lot have a great weekend. Woke up feeling bullish. Just gotta stack more Crow. The first thing I woke up, 298 more Crow added to the bag. Smart. It's gonna be, if it goes to $3, that's an extra, you know, $900. I just had to do some quick maths. Corey Trice, good morning Crow fam, just added to his bag 11.6k Crow. That's a nice bag right there. I'm telling you, this is a nice bag of Crow. I'm telling you guys, 11k Crow, safe investment, not much volatility. Goes to $1, just made 11 racks. You know what I'm saying? You never do that in the stock market at all. It's not, nope, not in the stock market, nope. Goes to $3, 30 racks, 33 racks, $33,000. Guys, I'm telling you, just be patient, man. Don't worry about all this FUD, man. I can't understand the FUD, bro. Like, it's crazy to me, bro. Like, even if it goes down lower again, I'm buying the dip. That's what you do. Because you have the conviction and you believe in crypto. Why are you gonna get in the space and not believe in the space that you're in? It makes no sense. Crow fam, yeah, yo, if you're a diamond hand holder, man, show some support to the channel. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I didn't say that at the start of the video. Become a channel member for updates, you know, new updates early and shout outs in my videos. Leave a super comment, super thanks comment to support the channel. Crow is gonna absolutely go bonkers in the bull cycle or in the future. It don't even need a bull cycle. more and more adoption for crypto is going to happen. Crypto is not going anywhere, and Crow will be one of the lead companies, projects in the space, guys. Crow fam, again, thank y'all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.